So, friends, here we discuss the second important point for tracing a curve, particularly in Cartesian form. The point is whether the given curve passes through origin or not. So, at the end of this topic, you will be able to find the curve passes through origin or not, find the tangent at origin if any, and discuss the nature of multiple point. So, how to check the curve passes through origin or not? So the curve passes through origin if the equation does not contain any constant term within the given equation of the curve. So here the examples. This is the first example, y square is equal to minus 4x. So in this example there is no term like this, that plus or minus this e, where e is constant. So like this, and therefore this constant term is absent here, and therefore we conclude that this curve y square is equal to 4x passes through origin. And the second example here, a square into x square is equal to y cube into 2a minus y. So in this equation, that the constant term is absent, therefore this curve also passes through origin. Or other sense, we can say that put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 in both sides of the given equation, and if both sides are balanced, so one side is 0 and other side is also 0, so we conclude that the given curve passes through origin. In the second example, put x is equal to 0, so this side, whole side is 0. In the second side of this equation, put y is equal to 0, so this whole side, the right hand side becomes 0, therefore 0 is equal to 0, so both sides are balanced, therefore we say that this curve passes through origin. So what is your opinion about this curve? So put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. So we say that on this side 0 is there, 0 is equal to 1, that is not possible. Therefore our conclusion is that this curve does not passes through origin. And we know that this is the equation of the ellipse, and having that a and b as a major and minor axis of, okay, sorry, a and b are minor and major axis. Now if curve pass through origin, then find the tangent or tangents at the origin to investigate the nature of multiple point, whether that multiple point is node or curves. We will discuss here node and curves later on. So the process to find tangent at origin, the equation of the tangent at the origin can be obtained by equating to 0 the lowest degree term in the equation of the curve. So let us see here. First we discuss the multiple point, which is known as node, a double point at which two real tangents not coincident can be drawn. So this point P is here, that is known as node. So this is the one tangent and this is another tangent, so both tangents are distinct and they are not coincident, therefore this point P is known as node here. Similarly, we discuss here curves. A double point is called curves if the two tangents are at it are coincident. So this point P where the two tangents are coincident, therefore this point is known as curves. Okay, let us consider one example here. X into x square plus y square is equal to a into x square minus y square. In this equation, that constant term is absent, therefore we say that this curve passes through origin. Now since this curve passes through origin, so our next task is find the equation of tangent at that origin. So for that purpose, consider the lowest degree term in that equation. So lowest degree term is ax square minus ay square, and that is equal to 0. By considering the lowest degree term, this is the lowest degree term, ax square minus ay square, and now equate this lowest degree term to 0. And after equating, you will get that y square is equal to x square and y is equal to x and y is equal to minus x. So these are the two straight lines, and both straight lines are different, and these are known as tangents at the origin, and which are real and different. Therefore the origin point where these two tangents can be drawn and both are different and real, and therefore that point is known as node. So we discuss here the nature of that multiple point. Okay, now consider the second example. Y square into 2a minus x is equal to x cube. Obviously this does not contain any constant term, therefore it passes through origin. And tangent at origin, so find out the lowest degree term within the equation, that is 2a into y square, and equate to 0. So we say that y square is equal to 0, so y is equal to 0 is the double point. You can say here that x into y square, so you will get a term with the degree 3, and this is the term with degree 3, and this is the term with degree 2, and therefore this 2a into y square is the lowest degree term. So as two tangents are coincident, therefore origin is here cos. So in the previous example we seen that the point is node, and here the point is cos. So we can say here that is this is the curve we plotted, yeah, we traced here, and this point O, where this is the tangent, this x-axis is the tangent, y is equal to 0, and therefore this origin is known as cos. And here some more examples for your practice. Thank you.